चलिए शुरू करते हैं।
Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today is Christmas Day and I am leaving for Coimbatore. It's 4:30 in the morning and the plan is to reach there anywhere around 12 p.m. and the distance is 350 kilometers and we're going to cover it on this beast Duke 390 and we'll explain a bit more about the bike and how we have prepared it. The chain is completely lubed, all the accessories are attached to it. We have got two bags here, Modpack Pros. One is a 20-liter one, the other one is a 5-liter one. And offline maps we have downloaded, and I guess we are ready, set to go.
गाइस आपने लाइट के येलो शेड्स उठाना भूल गया था. Now we are using them there only. That is why we are having white light. And it's becoming very difficult to see across this fog. I mean, it's still such an adventure. अब कोशिश करेंगे एकदम केयरफुली, ध्यान से सब चीज़ें विजिलेंस रखते हुए चलाएं.
जिस भी पेट्रोल पंप पे जाता हूँ मेरे को डॉग्स मिल जाते हैं प्यारे प्यारे अपने आप प्यार लेने आने के लिए. अब देखो जैसे मैं इसको प्यार कर रहा हूँ ना, कि जैसे ही मैं इसको छोड़ूंगा ये वापस मेरे को पंजा मारेगा कि प्यार कर. देखो 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 कैसे एक्साइटेड हो रहा है. क्या करूँ? क्या नाम है? चैंपी. हाँ दुद्दू दुद्दू. अभी मैं जिस ढाबे पे अभी टी स्टॉल पे रुका हूँ, इस टी स्टॉल में मैं पहले भी रुक चुका हूँ. व्हेन आई वाज गोइंग टू आई गेस मुन्नार. गाइस हम पहुंच चुके हैं. आई डोंट नो कौन सा घर है, तो वो फिर फर्स्ट फ्रेंड को फ़ोन करेंगे ताकि वो सेकंड फ्रेंड को फ़ोन करे और वो बाहर आए. तो हम घर से निकल रहे हैं, थोड़ा रेस्ट वेस्ट कर लिया है. और ये हमारे मुकेश अन्ना, हमारे फ्रेंड मुकेश सेफ. हाई टू माई फ्रेंड्स. सो अभी हम लोग एक ही बाइक पे जाएंगे सो दैट वी कैन रिकॉर्ड ऑल्सो. एंड लेट्स सी मुकेश हमें कहाँ लेके जाते हैं आज. ओके मुकेश. या स्टिल रिकॉर्डिंग. वी वांट यू टू से समथिंग टू आवर ऑडियंस इन योर लोकल लैंग्वेज सो दैट आई गेट मोर व्यूअर्स.
ओह कोयம்புத்தூர் சுத்தி காட்டுறேன், வாங்க போலாம்.
ओके तो टेल मी इन द कमेंट्स गाइस कि क्या बोला मुकेश ने. व्हाट डिड मुकेश सेड? तो गाइस we are on our way to the GD Car Museum, where we'll have some vintage cars. And this is the first time in my riding career that I am, you know, being a co-rider without a pillion. I was about to say rider, then I thought, no, I'm a co-rider
Without helmet.
without helmet. So it's like this guy has his Gunda Raj here, and nobody picks a fight with him. He's not even police. He controls the police here.
Oh, is it? No, bro.
Yeah.
Don't post this video. I'll get arrested.
So as you guys can see, he's a very down-to-earth guy also. He do not brags about his power. But what I said is completely true.
Oh, shit.
So we will be back. Okay guys, so just a moment back I realized I have kept everything but I have not kept my mobile phone. So we checked where that mobile phone could be. It seems that I left it at my home, at our home only.
Oh, you just left it at the home. It was thrown in the home.
Yeah, it was thrown at the mattress. So as you can see, it's not my fault. And, we have verified that it is at home only, and we are continuing our journey towards the car. What is it called? Museum. So guys, as you can see, this is the place. GD Museums. This is a museum of antique cars, and I'll be showing you everything from the inside. And this is the reception. There's Mukesh and Anna going for tickets and all.
Vlogging is not allowed.
In Aurea.
Oh, Delhi number car. This is a Delhi number car. Cadillac. What you see in front is रंग बिरंगी पैरेट जैसी दिखने वाली गाड़ी. This is the first Santro introduced in 1999. It was called Santro DX2. हम लोग एंटर कर चुके हैं साइंस म्यूजियम जस्ट नाउ एंड दिस इज़ द व्यू बोथ साइड्स. हम आपको दिखाने वाले हैं एक्सक्लूसिव फुटेज क्योंकि वीडियोग्राफी अलाउड नहीं है. Annabelle stays in such cupboards only. Telling you, do not touch anything. Ghostly presences are everywhere. All these items have been extracted from some or the other
I don't know, for
places.
some reason this guy is just making me feel scary.
You should be scared. This is infrared, guys. judges. But if I hit myself, we have reached the Jigar Thanda location. This is the local stall that we are going to have Jigar Thanda from. We'll tell you how it is. It's nice. Very sweet. Cheers.
Alright, turn this off.
Same button.
Okay. Just give a reaction video for this one. Here and then
So
record
this
that.
is, guys, this is the famous race course road, which is popular everywhere in Delhi, Gurgaon, Bangalore, and now in Coimbatore as well. We are waiting for a friend, and then we will start exploring this. Yeah.
Okay. Hi, Kavin.
Hi,
Happy to
Kavin.
meet you.
Hello. What's up? कैसे आप? कैसे हैं आप लोग? तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं.
अरे मालिक थोड़ा सा गलती हो गई.
You saw that video?
That's crazy bro.
अरे मालिक.
बाकी सब ठीक है. थोड़ा सा गलती हो गया. क्या गलती हो गई थोड़ा सा?
From this angle, this angle. Be careful.
We have reached. Yeah, bro, this is the place. Bro, crazy, bro. Look at the rush.
Oh, this is the line.
Bhai, hi, बोलिए.
Hello. Not Splendor.
Yeah. Yes. So, guys, we have reached our famous biryani spot, Valar Maki. So guys, we are waiting here at Valar Mati for our turn. This is that line. People are waiting just to enter the restaurant, and then they'll order, and there'll be another waiting time. But this is how popular South Indian restaurants are. What are you talking in your code word, huh?
Not a code word. Like I'm sleepy.
Ah.
Tired now.
It sounds odd in camera.
Nah, so once you eat biryani, then you will sleep here only.
Can you see this first area over there? We'll go inside.
It's a picnic spot.
Yeah.
In the morning, probably.
Yeah.
In the night, it's a haunted spot.
Basically, bro, yeah. Look at it.
Ah, that's what.
There is one flat at the end.
Hmm.
You can able to see that over there. It feels like.
Ah, I see it, but I guess that is
Mark your day. This is the last.
that is also haunted. So guys, after half an hour of waiting, we have reached here on the menu table. But इधर भी हमको table share करना पड़ रहा है. And ये कुछ menu ऐसा दिखता है.
Duke Shavillieda.
But I don't need to see the menu because for me it's decided. I'll have mutton biryani and we'll see how it works. He'll tell. Badana. He's asking the order. So
It's empty.
Huh?
It is empty.
Not Splendor. I have realized after trying it's a good sport bike.
I really like that bike.
It has tremendous power and